good afternoon. I am at the Dirt Log 100 venue. So this is created by Autolog Designs, and this is a complete off-road track built with some hurdles, which I'll just show you now. So this is the TUM 300, the Ultimate Mojo, which Autolog Design has converted into the complete rally race. And this is complete view of the location right now in front of me. So
Hi guys.
I am Mukul. So this is Mukul for you guys, and this has been developed by Mukul and his team, Autolog Design, named as Dirt Log 100. So can you just brief us about the track once again?
Sure. So the track has two sections.
Yep.
One is for the experts, one is for novice people who don't really have a dirt bike but want to get an experience on taking on trails and enduro stuff. So this one is relatively easy, I mean like you don't really need an off-road motorcycle to take on it, maybe just dirt bike tires. That one, however, you would need a minimum ground clearance like an Impulse or an X-Pulse, maybe an Himalayan, but I think Himalayan would still stick to the novice course.
Okay.
And yeah, so we got about 20 obstacles.
So we'll just walk through?
Yeah, sure.
We'll not ride right now. We will just walk upon these hurdles and we'll understand how they work and how you can ride your bike. So you can come and take a training, professional training.
Yeah, we have 3 trainers.
Yeah.
We have them every weekend.
Okay.
So training sessions happen every weekend. Free practice is open through the week, any day of the week.
Okay, great. So we'll just...
So this is the expert route.
Yeah.
So this is called hiccup, where you just take this big stump.
Yeah.
Then this is pile up, where you've got a pile up of logs, as is obvious.
Yeah.
It looks tougher than it is. You can take the center line and it's quite smooth. Similarly with this, so you're basically just getting people to focus on the line. So if you take it down the center, तो कोई problem नहीं है, it goes smoothly.
Okay.
But if you hit the side,
You're right, you then end up falling down.
Yeah.
Nice.
Then this one is called step up, where you're ideally supposed to take a jump from here.
Okay.
So that you clear as much as you possibly can of this.
Oh,
So the trainers were almost crossing the whole thing.
full. Oh, crazy.
Then this is called arm pump, because you need to keep your arms loose and free through enduro stuff, otherwise
Okay.
you end up making a lot of mistakes.
And it will go like this.
Yeah. This also looks tougher than it is. Once you actually take it, it's
Yeah.
not that bad. But the risk is...
Yeah, the slope is there. So, and once you fall down, then you have the... yeah. So beware of that.
This is the toughest obstacle right now. It's called involuntary dismount, which means that it's trying to throw you off.
Okay.
So your contact patch is just about 3-4 inches.
Right.
And they're deflated, so you can
Oh,
move them.
serious.
And then this is again another pile up, which is of various things, right from wood to tires to rocks.
And again, this is for expert, this is for novice.
The smoothened one is for the novice, so that
Yeah.
you don't have too much of impact.
And again, one has to ride through this.
Yeah. So the more that you can jump with the kicker,
Yeah.
the better it is for
Right.
you.
Because you are skipping the
Yeah.
larger part of this.
Yeah. There'll be some more stuff here,
Okay.
which will make it difficult for you to turn into this.
Oh,
This is your expert one again, where you
Again.
take this ramp and go into rocks.
right. So it is again like jumping from this place, and no,
No, this one ideally you should
Yeah,
not,
because
you
it
might
will-
have a bad fall.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're really pro, then yes, you can.
And then this is for novice, and then you'll get down from here.
As you can see, we had a session yesterday, which has resulted in
Okay.
that was called the valley. This is called the plateau.
Okay, plateau.
The flat section where you've got bumpers for the novice,
Haha.
and those tires are laid out so that the expert has to take a particular line,
Okay.
come down, take a U-turn.
Yeah.
Means that we've created. So if you are the expert,
Huh.
you line yourself up, take this line and go
Oh my
across.
God, crazy.
Otherwise, you can hop,
With thin
hop,
line, huh?
hop, hop.
Okay.
Yeah. And currently, this is the final obstacle on the track, which is called 50-50, which is 2 seesaws. This one is narrower, that one is wider.
Wider. So it slopes down.
Yeah.
Oh.
Once you reach the center, you have to slow down.
So I can climb on it, huh?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Slow.
Okay. 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 Oh, lovely. Again, it goes back then. Awesome. And this is the leaderboard.
That's the board,
Yeah. And these are the brand partners
Yep.
for the.
Our title partner is
Right.
Castrol, and we've got support from all these brands.
Yeah.
Still not complete, like I said. More stuff to be added in this line.
Uh-huh. So how is TUM 300 performing on this track?
We've done some very preliminary tests,
Uh-huh.
but because we still have to shoot the bike, we didn't want
Okay.
too much damage on it before we.
So wait for it, guys.
Yes.
Let the final video come out, and then you can see what TUM is capable of doing. And here we have all the passionate people admiring at the TUM 300. So that's CSK, Rakesh Mehta, Farhan, Venu Gopalan, and Swapnil, and the man behind the entire concept.
Thank you.
Kudos, good job. So whenever you are in Pune, do come in, drop in, and experience this ultimate track with this ultimate mojo.
Oh yeah.
So hope you like this video. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.